How does the dead reflected Irish culture? How does the dead reflected Irish culture? This short story by James Joyce offers a vivid snapshot of early 20th century Irish life. Set during a Christmas gathering in Dublin, it captures the essence of Irish middle-class society. The story unfolds during the Irish Revival, a movement aimed at renewing Irish music, language, and art. This period sought to assert a unique Irish identity, distinct from British influence. Characters like Molly Ivors symbolize this cultural pride. She wears an Irish brooch and advocates for the Irish language, showcasing a strong sense of nationalism. In contrast, Gabriel Conroy, the main character, embodies a more cosmopolitan view. His character reflects the divide in Irish society between those embracing nationalism and those leaning towards European culture. The story also highlights the political tensions of the time. Conversations among characters reveal differing loyalties and identities. For instance, Molly challenges Gabriel about his work for a British supporting newspaper. This interaction illustrates the real-life divisions between those seeking Irish independence and those aligned with British governance. Religious differences also play a subtle role. The divide between Catholicism and Protestantism reflects historical allegiances tied to political identity. These themes resonate throughout the narrative, making it a rich portrayal of the cultural landscape. Moreover, The Dead delves into themes of memory, history, and mortality. The title itself evokes the presence of the past, suggesting how history influences the living. Gabriel's realization about his wife's lost love connects personal memory with national history. This connection includes the trauma of the Irish famine and the cultural losses that followed. For travelers in Ireland, The Dead serves as a window into the layered Irish identity shaped by language, politics, religion, and history. Visiting Dublin and sites linked to Joyce's life allows one to experience the atmosphere of the cultural revival. It offers a chance to understand the tensions between local and European influences. The story invites reflection on how the Irish remember their past and honor those who came before. This aspect is a key part of Irish cultural heritage. The Dead reflects Irish culture through its portrayal of nationalism, cultural revival, historical memory, and social dynamics. It provides a rich understanding of the Irish spirit and identity.